What's the meaning of Bulgaria? Bulgaria. Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Bulgaria. Bulgaria is a country located in southeastern Europe on the Balkan Peninsula. The name Bulgaria is derived from the Bulgars, an ancient Turkic tribe that migrated into the region during the 7th century. Bulgaria has a rich history and culture, spanning over thousands of years and including influences from Thracian, Slavic, Roman, Greek, and Ottoman cultures. The country is known for its beautiful Black Sea coastline, picturesque mountain ranges, and historic landmarks such as the ancient city of Plovdiv and the Rila Monastery. Today, Bulgaria is a member of the European Union and has a growing economy driven by industries such as tourism, manufacturing, and services.